How to fix slow internet speed at home. Firstly, check your internet plan. Make sure your current internet plan provides the speeds you are expecting. You can also check with your ISP, Internet Service Provider, to verify your plan speed. You can also try to reboot your router. Unplug your router, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary issues. You can also check for interfaces. Devices like microwaves, cord phones, and even thick wall can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. You can try to move your router to a central location or away from such devices. If possible, use an Ethernet cable to connect your device directly to the router. Wired connections are generally more stable and faster than Wi-Fi. If your router is outdated or not capable of handling high-speed internet, it might be time to upgrade to a newer model. Look for routers that supports Wi-Fi 5 or even Wi-Fi 6 for better speed. The more devices connected to your network, the slower the speed. Disconnect devices you aren't using and consider limiting bandwidth-heavy activities. That's all for today. Thank you.